awaiting bills of exchange. Before we start with bills of exchange, before we go for technical definitions of bills of exchange, bills of exchange is a proof of payment. It is a proof of payment, number one, or not a proof of payment, proof of a transaction. It's an extension proof of a transaction. Simple, in the original class, I would have used the same example. Let's assume you are a farmer, I am a trader. You are a farmer, I am a trader. I purchase some agricultural produce from you for 5 lakhs. I promise to pay after 3 months. Okay, I will take the goods to the market, sell it, get the money. It will take around 3 months time. After that, I will settle that 5 lakhs. If there is no proof, okay, you cannot go to the court for claiming which one? The money. So simple, the farmer, the seller will write the bill of exchange on the buyer. Seller will write the bill of exchange on the buyer. Buyer will agree to pay the money. Buyer will agree to pay the money. So that will be an instrument in writing. That will be an instrument in writing. There are two parties to the bill. The first party, we call it as which one? Seller. We call it as which one? Drawer. And we call him as which one? Creditor. Will draw the bill on which one? The buyer. Will draw the bill on the buyer. We call it as which one? Drawee or acceptor. And he is called as what? Debtor. Otherwise, creditors write the bill on debtor. Creditors write the bill on debtors. Okay. The seller is otherwise called as which one? Payee of the bill. Receiver. Payee otherwise called as which one? The receiver of the bill. The acceptor is otherwise called as which one? Payer of the bill. Payer of the bill. So it's an asset. Bills receivable is an asset. For the payer, bills payable is a liability. Okay. So this we had seen in the original class itself, right? Seller will draw the bill on which one? Buyer. What is the first transaction that is taking place between seller and buyer? Purchase or sale of goods. What is the entry you will pass for this? Purchase and sale of goods. What is the entry you will pass for this? Debtors account, debtor. To which account? Sales account. He purchases. What is the entry you will pass? Purchases account, debtor. To which account? Creditors account. Or suppliers account you can put. Then number 2, for drawing the bill. When the bill is drawn, what is the entry the first party will pass? Bills receivable account, debtor. To which account? Debtors account. If you look at, once bills are drawn, they are removed from debtors account, and that will be called as which one? Bills receivable. He is accepting the bill. What is the entry he'll pass? Creditors account, debtor. To which account? Bills payable account. Creditors account, debtor. To which account? Bills payable account. Then let us assume you are holding the bill. 3 months, 4 months, you are holding the bill. On the due date, there are two possibilities. What are the two possibilities? Bill is honored. What do you mean by bill is honored? You are getting the money. What is entry for getting the money? Cash or bank account, debtor. To which account? Bills receivable account. What is entry I'll pass? Bills payable account, debtor. To which account? To bank account, cash account I'll put. Then suppose if the bill is dishonored. You're holding the bill is dishonored means bill is not collected. What is entry you will pass? Bill is not collected means reverse entry you will pass. What is entry? This entry you will cancel. What is entry you will pass? Debtors account, debtor to which account? Bills receivable account. Pay attention. If the bill is not paid, you have to take it to the bill to a local notary public, the lawyer, and he will certify. What he will certify? Okay, he will certify that the bill was presented today. The acceptor has not paid for the bill, like that he will sign and give. Like an attestation, they will sign and give. For that, they will put noting charges that should be borne by the other party. Once again, what is the first entry that we pass? Let us assume I am the seller, you are the buyer. I sell the goods to you, debtors to sales, you are purchasing from me, purchase to creditors account. For drawing the bill, what is the entry you will pass? Bills receivable account data to debtors account. I am accepting the bill, so creditors account data to bills payable. On the due date, if the bill is honored, you collect the money, I pay the money. If the bill is dishonored, you cancel the bill, I will also cancel the bill. Sorry. Bills payable account. To which account? These are the normal journal entry that we pass. And if you look at the organized definition now, it's an instrument in writing. Okay. Having a certain sum of money payable to a certain person or the order after a certain date. Everything will be certain. Uncertainty should not be there. Certainty means what? The amount payable should be certain. Terms of the bill, like when the payment will be made, should be clear. Date of the bill should be there. Should be drawn by both what? Drawer as well as what? Drawee. And the revenue stamp should be affixed while signing the bill. Only then it will have a legal enforceability. Like maybe in essential elements of valid contract you would have seen. Offer acceptance. Bills payable offered, drawn, accepted. Number one. Offer acceptance. Second, that should be a consideration. The bills receivable, why are you drawing and accepting? For the goods purchased and sold. Number two. Number three, it must be in writing. Like agreements, the contract, the bills of exchange also should be in what? Writing. And of course, one more thing, it should be the terms of offer and acceptance should be what? Certain. So the terms of bill should be certain. Amount, payment, date of offer, date of acceptance, like that. Legal enforceability should be there, will be there only when the bills are written and the revenue stamp is affixed and signed. So these are the elements of which one? A valid bill of exchange. So this is a normal entry we pass. Listen, pay attention. Let's assume you sold the goods today. Let us assume 1st December 2023. And you drew the bill for 3 months. You drew the bill for how many months? 3 months. When will you get the payment? When will you get the payment? 3 days of grace will be added. 3 days of grace will be added. So first plus 3, 4th, 12th, 3 months now. January, February, March, April. Or March 2024. 4th March 2024, you will get the payment. But let us assume you want the payment immediately. Today is 1st December 2023. You will get the payment only on 4th March 2024. I want the money now itself. Now, what do? You take to the bank and what? Discount it. So for discounting a bill also, the first two entry will be common. What do you mean by first two entry will be common? Purchase and sale of goods, drawing and accepting the bill, the entry will be common. What is the entry to pass when bills are discounted? If bills are discounted, bank gets the bill, debit the receiver or debit to the bank account, and the bank will charge which one? Discounting charges. To which account? Bills receivable account. Second party will not pass any entry because it's a transaction happening in the books of which one? Drawer. So first, if you have attended regular class, no issues, it will be there, you can take it up. Otherwise, if you have missed the class or missed the notes, please take it up. So if bills are discounted, what is the entry? Bank account debtor, discount account debtor to which account? Bills receivable account. Second party book, no entry. Why? It's a transaction happening in the books of which one? Drawer. Otherwise, only receivable can be discounted. Asset can be discounted. But payment cannot be discounted. Or payment cannot be discounted. Wait பண்ணுங்க. On the due date. Wait பண்ணுங்க. On the due date of discounted bill. There are two options here. One is bill is honored. Bill is honored and artham. Acceptor paid the money to the bank. So first party booklet no entry will come. First party booklet no entry. Why no entry? Already we got the payment. Bank will collect the money. Second party book, what is entry will pass? Bills payable account data to bank account. Whenever he pays money, you will put bills payable account data to which account? Bank account. If bill is dishonored, wait பண்ணுங்க. The bill is with us or the bill is with bank? Bank. Debit the receiver, or debtor will get back the bill. Credit the giver, who will give the bill? Bank will give the bill. Direct entry we can pass. Debtor's account, debtor, they are going to get back the bill to bank account. Debtor's account, debtor to which account? Bank account. Second party is not bothered about all these things. He'll pass a normal dishonor entry. What is a normal dishonor entry? Bills payable account, debtor, noting charges account, debtor to which account? Creditors account. Once again, if bills are discounted, what is the entry? Bank discount to which account? Bills receivable account. Second party book no entry. On the due date of the discounted bill, there are two options. The bill is paid now, no entry in the drawer's book, acceptor will pay the money. The bill is dishonored means what to do? Debtors account, debtor to bank account. Then entry on pass panla. We'll get back the bill from the bank. What is entry will pass? We'll receive the bill. Bills receivable account, debtor to which account? Bank account, then we can give the bill to debtors. Debtors account, debtor to which account? Bills receivable account. Debtors account, debtor to bills receivable account. Like this, two entry also we can pass. But ultimately, who gets back the bill? Debtors. Who is giving the bill? Bank. Debtors account, debtor to bank. Then, see, let's assume we are the seller. We are the seller. Somebody is the buyer. Instead of collecting the money and paying to our obligations, what we can do? We can endorse the bill. What do you mean we endorse the bill? Instead of collecting 40,000 and paying to our suppliers, we can endorse the bill drawn by the other party. That is called as which one? Simple. There is nothing but transfer of bill to creditors. Transfer of bill to which one? Creditor. So what is entry will pass? To our creditors we are transferring. Creditors account, debtor to which account? Bills receivable account. Second party book no entry. Why no entry? It's a transaction happening in the books of which party? First party. Then on the due date there are two possibilities. For this also on the due date there are two possibilities. On the due date, if the discount that is endorsed bill can be either which one? Honored or it can be dishonored. Wait pannunga. If endorsed bill is honored na, who will receive the payment? Creditor will receive the payment. No entry in our book. No entry in our book. The other party is just paying the money. Bills payable account, debtor to which account? Bank account. If the endorsed bill is dishonored, debtors account, debtor to creditors. Simple. Discounted bill என்ன பண்றோம்? Debtors account, debtor to bank account போடுறோம். இதே endorsed bill இருந்தா debtors account, debtor to creditors account. Why? Because earlier it was with bank, now it is with whom? Creditor. Clear? Debtor getting back bill from our creditors can happen. This is for which one? Endorsement of a bill. Endorsement of a bill. Okay. This may be honored or which one? Dishonored. Wait pannunga. There is something called as renewal of a bill. What do you mean by renewal of a bill? Extension of time. Extension of time. The other party has to pay us in 3 months' time. He is coming and requesting, I cannot pay the money today. I will pay you after 2 months. I will pay you after 2 months like that. What to do? Simple. First, cancel the old bill. Cancel the old bill. Then, he is asking for extension of time. 2 months' time, 3 months' time. Will he give it free? No. Charge interest. Charge interest. First party book interest is an income. So debtors account, debtors account, debit to which account? Interest account. Other party is an expense. Interest account, debtor to which account? Creditors account. Then draw the new bill. What is entry for drawing the bill? Including interest, bills receivable account, debtor to debtors, and creditors to which one? Bills payable. Same entry will. For drawing the bill, same entry will. Simple. What do you mean by renewal of a bill? Extension of time. If the time is extended, the old bill will be cancelled first, then charge the interest, draw the new bill. Draw the new bill. Of course, you have to pass the entry. For cancelling the old bill, You have to pass the entry that we know it already, and charge the interest. Yes, we learned it now. Then draw the new bill. What is entry for drawing the new bill? Bills receivable account debtor to debtors in our book. Other party, creditors account debtor to bills paid. Any doubt in it? Next, suppose if a person becomes insolvent, if the acceptor becomes insolvent, what to do? First, you cancel the bill. Cancellation entry depends. Is it a normal bill or discounted bill or endorsed bill in the mari? Cancel the bill. Then second, for recovery of money, what is entry you'll pass? Bank account debtor. If you are not able to recover the money, it is called as bad debts account debtor. To which account? Debtors account. Debtors account. The other party, creditors account debtor to bank account, cash or bank account. The unpaid amount will be called as which account? Deficiency account. The unpaid amount will be called as which one? Deficiency account. The unpaid amount is called as deficiency account. Okay, I repeat from the beginning, a minute recollection. For purchase and sale of goods, let us assume I am the buyer, you are the seller. What is the entry you will pass? Debtors to sales. What is the entry you will pass? Purchase to creditors. When you draw the bill, bills receivable to debtors. For me, creditors to bills payable. On the due date, if the bill is paid, you collect money by bank to BR. I pay the money. Bills payable to bank. If it is dishonored, debtors to bills receivable, noting charges will be borne by me. That's why bills payable account debtor, noting charges to which one? Creditor. If bills are discounted, you are taking to the bank and discounting the bill. Bank account debtor, discount account debtor to which account? Bills receivable account. I am not doing this transaction, no entry in my book. On the due date of discounted bill, if the bill is honored, no entry in your book. Why? Bank will collect the money. I pay the money to the bank. If the bill is dishonored, you will give the bill back to me and get the bill, of course, from which one? Bank. Debtors account, debtor to which account? Bank account. For me, usual dishonor entry I'll pass. If the bill is endorsed, what do you mean by endorsed? Transfer to your creditors. What is the entry you will pass? Creditors to bills payable, bills receivable. For me, no entry. Why? It is a transaction happening in dryers. If the bill is honored, no entry because your creditor will get the money from me and I will pay the money, bills payable to bank. If the endorsed bill is dishonored, what is the entry you will pass? Debtors to creditors. For me, any bill dishonor, usual entry. Let it be normal bill or discounted bill or endorsed bill, same entry will be passed. If you want to renew the bill, what do you mean by renewal of bill? Extending the time. First you have to cancel the old bill, then charge the interest and draw which one? New bill. The acceptor becomes insolvent, first cancel the bill, then for recovery of money, bank account debtor, bad debts to debtors. For the money unpaid, it will be called as which one? From paying end, it will be called as deficiency. Receiving end, it will be called as bad debts. Now come back to the question. Remember, some more thing we learn. Okay. Suppose if you send the bill for collection, what is the entry you will pass? Bills for collection account debtor. We are just sending the bill to which account? Bills receivable account. If bills are collected, simple, the money will be added to the bank account. Bank account debtor, collection charges the bank will put to which account? Bills for collection account. Other party will pass a normal entry. What is entry will pass? Bills payable account data to bank account. Bills payable account data to bank account. If bills are not collected, this entry you have to cancel. What is entry you have to cancel? Bills receivable account data to bills for collection and send it to our datas. You can put datas account data to bills for collection. If there is a noting charge also, the other party should pay. The other party will pass a normal dishonor entry. What is a normal dishonor entry? Bills payable, noting charges to which account? Creditors account. Once again, if you send the bill for collection, what is the entry you will pass? Bill for collection account data to bills receivable account. Second party book no entry. Why no entry? It's a transaction happening in your book, no entry in my book. If the bills are collected, the money will be added to your bank account. Bank account data after deducting collection charges to bills for collection. If bills are cancelled, debtors account data to bills for collection to noting charges. This party will pass usual dishonor entry. See, there is something called as retirement of a bill. What do you mean by retirement of a bill? Making early payment. Making early payment. When I make early payment, will I pay the same amount or lesser amount? Lesser amount. What is entry will pass? Bank account data. It is called as rebate. For making early payment, what do you allow me? We call it as which one? So rebate to bills receivable account. To which account? Bills receivable account. For me, bills payable account data to which account? Bank account to rebate account. Rebate received account. So if you make the early payment, it is called as which one? For retirement of a bill. Okay, for that you allow me rebate. For you it is an expense. I get the rebate. It will be like income for me. Seen it?
The last entry.
புரியல புரியல So once again, sending the bills for collection account data to which account? Bills receivable account. Then when the money is collected after the collection charges, the bank will add your account. If bills are not collected, then noting charges order cancel பண்ணுங்க. What do you mean by retirement of a bill? Making an early payment. Bank account data, rebate account data to which account? Bills receivable account. Okay, the other party, I receive the rebate. Now come to the next question. It's a very good question, go through that. On 12th May 2020, A sold goods to B for 36,470. Drew upon how many bills? Two bills, one for 16,470 1 month and other for how much? 20,000 3 months. So the first bill is for 1 month, second bill is for how many months? 3 months. 3 months. Okay, we accepted both the bill. On 5th June 2020, A sent both the bill to the bank for which one? Collection on the due dates. Then the first bill was duly met, means the first bill was collected. Due to temporary financial difficulties, failed to honor the second bill on the due date and he has to pay how much as noting charges? 20 as noting charges. On 16th August 2020, it was agreed that A and B will pay immediately, pay how much? 8,020 in cash, except the new bill for how many months? 3 months, included interest for post payment கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. They accepted the thing and sent the bill for collection on the due date. On 1st October 2020, B approached offering 12,240 for retirement of the bill. What is the necessary? I mean, renewed bill value 12,480. That is settled at 12,240. Past journal entries in the books of A. Read the question once again, then we'll do it. Do they ask you in the books of A or in the books of B?
A.
Start. You can do it along with me. In the books of A. In the books of A. Let us maintain the columns properly. Date, of course. When is the first transaction? 12/5/20. What is the entry will pass? Sales. B account data to sales account. What is the amount? 36,470. Please do it along with me. This is on day 1. Then what happens next? On 12/5/20, on the same date, we are drawing true bills. So what is the entry? Bills receivable account data. There is bill number 1. Debit how much? 36,470. LL. What is the first bill value? Then bills receivable account data number 2. Don't combine it because both are having different due dates. 20,000. Total are 36,470. To which account? To B account. To B account. 2 bills are drawn. Then when we send the bill for collection? 5/6/2020. What is the entry for sending the bill for collection? To both the bills are sent. When is the next transaction? On the due date of which bill? First bill. When the due date will come for the first bill? 12/5/2020. 15/6/20. On the due date of the first bill, the bill is honored. What is the entry will pass? It's not discounted, it is sent for collection. Bank account data to bills for collection account. The first bill is collected. The first bill is collected. On the due date of the first bill is collected. On the due date of the second bill, what is the due date of the second bill? 15th August 20. 3 months bill, yeah. 12/5/20, 3 months, 3 days. 15th August 20. The bill is honored or dishonored? Dishonored. What is the entry will pass? This entry. Debtors account debtor to bill for collection to noting charges. B account debtor to bill for collection account. What is the bill second bill value? 20,000 to noting charges. What is the noting charges? 20. So 20,020. Huh? 15th August is a known public holiday. Known public holiday nena pannu. Previous day will be taken. 15th August is a known public holiday, so take 14th August. If due date falls on a known public holiday, we have to take what? Previous day. Till this point, any doubt in it? Till this point, if there is any doubt, please ask. Sales is made, 2 bills are drawn, sent for collection. First bill is honored. Second bill up enna pandrom? Dishonored, including noting charges, 20,020 he has to pay. So second bill, a small calculation. Second bill, second bill oda value evlo, sorry, second bill of total amount evlo, 20,020. எவ்வளோ cash payment பண்றான்னு சொல்லிருக்கான் பாருங்க. 80,000. Look at cash payment immediately made. 8,020. Cash payment immediately made is how much? 8,020 cash payment பண்ணிடுறாங்க. Balance எவ்வளோ due? 20,020 ல immediately how much has been paid? 12,000 the balance due. But new bill values 12,480. 12,480. Once again, total due is 20,020. Okay, but new bill is drawn for 12,480 now. The difference will be called as which one? Interest. Interest எவ்வளோ இருக்கு? 480. For that, we have to pass the entry. That is on 16th August. It is given in the question. What is the entry? Debit what comes in? Cash account debtor. Cash account debtor எவ்வளோங்க? 8,020. Then bills receivable account debtor. What is the bills receivable account debtor? 12,480. 12,480. Okay. To B account 20,020 தான். B account 20,020 தான். To interest account. Interest account. What is interest account? Cash account debtor, debit what comes in. How much is paid? 8,020. Bills receivable account debtor, the new bill value. What is the new bill value? 12,480. To B account 20,020 the total amount due. The difference is which account? Interest. Difference excess amount comes because of interest. When the second bill is retired, 1st October 2020 itself, we are collecting the money. Bank account debtor to bills receivable. It is sent for collection again.
Yes.
Yes. It is sent for collection. It is sent for collection on the due date. It is sent for the collection on the due date. Okay, immediately sent for the due date. Immediately sent for the collection. On 16th August 2020 itself, we are sending the bill for collection. What is entry for bill for collection account debtor to which account? Bills receivable account. The new bill we are sending 12,480. Are we going to wait till the due date or are we going to collect the money immediately? We are not going to wait till the due date. We are not going to wait till the due date. When the money is paid? When the money is paid? On 1st October itself. The money is collected. What is the entry you will pass for the money collection? Bank account debtor. How much has been paid? We are giving rebate. Rebate account debt are 240 to bills for collection account. Don't put bills receivable account. The bill has been already sent for a collection. I'll just fund it. This rebate is a balancing. Instead of paying 12,240, the customer pays only what? So instead of paying 12,480, the customer pays only 12,240. Now the balance is called as which one? Rebate. Rebate is allowed for early payment. Rebate is allowed for early payment. Why don't we put to bills receivable account? Yen to bills receivable account. The bill is already sent for collection. That is already recorded in bills for collection account. So in that account we adjust it. Go to the next question. The copy punting la over. Next question. They are asking you to pass journal entries in the books of Karthik. Karthik has accepted a bill to Balu for how much? 3,500. Discharged by cash payment of 1,500 and the new bill plus balance plus 75 rupees interest கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Are we going to draw the bill or accept the bill? Accept the bill. Start. In the books of Karthik. First, for accepting the bill. For accepting the bill, what is the entry you will pass? Balu account, data to which account? Bills payable account. How much? On the settlement date, are we paying for the bill? No. We are not paying for the bill. We are extending the time. We are extending the time. So what to do? Cancel old bill. What is the entry for cancelling old bill? Bills payable account. Data to which account? Balu account. 3,500. First you cancel the old bill. Then, what is the cash payment we are making? Balu account data to cash. We are making 1,500 rupees cash payment. We made a cash payment of 1,500 appro. Interest we have to pay. Interest account data to Balu account. How much of interest is charged? Then we have to draw the new bill. Simple. What is the old bill value? 3,500 less cash payment 1,500, add interest. Interest எவ்வளோ pay பண்ணணும்? 75. New bill will be 2,070. This is with respect to Balu. Next one. Bill endorsed to whom dishonored? Bill endorsed to Mohan. Whose bill? Gopal's bill. Endorsed to Mohan, got dishonored. What is the noting charges? 50 rupees. When endorsed bill is dishonored, what is the rule? What is the rule? Debtor's account. Debtor to which account? Creditor's account. When you apply this rule, it was to whom it is endorsed? To Mohan. Whose acceptance? Gopal's acceptance. Gopal account. Debtor to which account? Mohan account, including noting charges. Including noting charges and over 4550, and it is given the bill was withdrawn against which one? Check. Now we have to give the check to Mohan. What is the entry for giving check to Mohan? Mohan account debtor to bank account. We are accepting to pay this amount by the check. I repeat. Whose bill? Gopal's bill. He is the debtor. To whom it was endorsed? Gopal's bill. To whom it was endorsed? Mohan. He is a creditor. He is the creditor. Okay, what is the entry you have to pass? Debtor's account debtor to creditors. That is Gopal account debtor to which account? Mohan account. Gopal account debtor to Mohan account. Then debtor's account debtor to creditors. Then we are paying by check. Since it is given clearly that the check was withdrawn by paying the check, we are paying the payment. Mohan account debtor to bank account. Next பாருங்க என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Though she retired the bill 2,500 drawn by him at how much? 25% discount. Retirement of a bill. Bills receivable for us. Are we retiring the bill or someone else is retiring the bill? So bank account debtor, rebate account debtor to bills receivable. What is the bills receivable value? 2,500, 25% discount. Huh? 25 oh, 25 rupees discount. 25 rupees discount. So balance 2425. We are not paying money early. Someone else is paying money early to us. Done. Next. Karthik's acceptance to Prem 6,500 discharged by what? Prem. Ashok acceptance to Karthik for a similar amount. Whose acceptance? Karthik's acceptance to Prem 6,500 was discharged by Prem. Ashok's acceptance to Karthik for a similar amount. Logical reasoning. Okay, to whom the money is paid? Prem. Debit the receiver. Prem account debtor. Prem account debtor. Who is paying the money? Ashok. How much? Once again, I repeat. Karthik's acceptance to Prem for 6,500 was discharged by Prem's Ashok's acceptance to Karthik for a similar amount. See, instead of collecting and paying the money, okay, simple. I asked Ashok to pay the money to Prem. Prem gets the money, debit the receiver. Credit the giver. Sentence is little confusing. Simple. See, let us assume he is Ashok. Okay, he has to pay me the money. And he is Prem. I have to pay him the money. Instead of collecting and paying the money, what do? I ask Ashok to pay the Prem directly. Prem account data to which account? Ashok account. I will not get money or pay money. Okay, directly debit the receiver, credit the giver. If it is in the form of bills receivable, if it is in the form of bills of exchange, it will be like bills payable account data, bills payable account data to which account? Bills receivable account. Okay. The person who accepted my bill will pay for the bill to whom I accepted. நான் யாருக்கு accept பண்ணிருக்கேனோ அவங்களுக்கு எனக்கு acceptance கொடுத்தவங்க pay பண்ணுவாங்க. Here Ashok will pay to whom? Prem. No money will come in or go out. It is direct payment. Don't go to the next question. There is accommodation bill. I'll come to that later. Go to the PTP to the December 2023 question. Take up this first, then go to the PTP December 2023. Who accepted the bill? Y accepted a bill 40,000 drawn by X. So in the books of X தான் question கேட்டிருக்காங்க. So X is drawing the bill. The amount was already owed by X. On the same date, he got the bill discounted for how much? 39,200. On the due date, Y approached X for renewal of a bill. X got the condition that 8,000 to be paid immediately. The remaining will be paid at what? 12% per annum for 3 months. For the remaining balance, they should accept 3 months bill. This arrangement was carried out. On 31st December 2022, the other party became what? Insolvent and paid only what? 40%. They ask you only in the books of what? X. We'll do in the books of both the party. For practice only, we'll do in the books of which one? Both the party. Start. First column in the books of X, second column in the books of Y. What is the entry? First entry, when you do the bill? 1st August 2022. What is the entry you will pass? Bills receivable account. Data are to which account? Y account. What is the amount? Take it along with me, no need to wait. The other party accepts the bill. What is the entry? Examination, don't write short forms. Please write in full. 40,000. What is the next one? On the same date, 1/8/2022, the bill is discounted. What is the entry for discounting the bill? Bank account data. Discount account data to which account? Mr. X. So discounted for 39,200. So what is the discount? 800 is the discount. 800 is the discount. Then Y approached X for renewal of a bill. On the due date, 1/8/2022. How many months? 3 months now. 4/11/2022. First, we have to cancel the old bill. Please remember, it is a discounted bill. What is the entry for cancelling the old bill? Data's account, data to bank account. Data's account, data to bank account. Any noting charges given? No noting charges, 40,000. First, you cancel the bill. The other party will pass usual dishonor entry. Bills payable account, data to which account? X account, 40,000. I hope we are getting some immediate cash payment. What is the cash receipt? Cash account, data to Y account. We received how much? 8,000. Other party pays money, so X account, data to cash. Charge interest for the balance. Eவ்வளோ balance இருக்கும்? 32,000 into what is the interest rate? 12% for how many months renewed? 3 months. For the renewal, charge interest for the balance. How much it will come? For us, it's income. Y account, data to interest. For the other party, it is an expense. Then draw the new bill. What is the new bill? 32,000. That is 40,000 already. Minus 8,000 collected. plus interest 960. What will be the new bill value? So pass the entry for the new bill. How much? So on the due date of the first bill, what do? Cancel the old bill, record the cash received, then charge interest for the balance, then draw the new bill. Draw the new bill. Then is the money received or not received? When? On 31st December 22 itself, the other party became insolvent. What to do? You have to cancel the bill. What is the entry for cancelling the bill?
Debited to bill.
Then are we able to collect full money? We are able to collect only 40% is collected. What is the entry will pass for it? Bank account data, bad debts account data. How much? 60% we collected. 40% becomes which one?
What percent he paid, sir?
The other party makes a payment. What is the entry will pass? X account data to
Bank account to debited.
any doubt in it? Any doubt in it? Next concept, accommodation bill is a small thing that you have to understand. Pay attention. You want 3 lakhs, I want 2 lakhs. How much you need? How much I need? So totally how much we need? 5 lakhs for some 2 months short-term arrangement. We can take a bank loan, but we don't have any security, gold or land or building, nothing is there with us. So what to do? Either I can draw the bill of exchange on you, or you draw the bill of exchange on me. You draw the bill of exchange on for how much? 3 lakhs or 5 lakhs? 5 lakhs. You need 3 lakhs, I need 2 lakhs totally. You draw the bill of exchange for 5 lakhs. I will accept the bill. Okay. Take it to the bank and discount the bill. Take it to the bank and what? Discount the bill. You take 3/5 and send me 2/5. On day one, discount the bill. You take 3/5 and use it for your business. And I will get how much? 2/5. Discounting charges also will be borne by us. Will you take the full discounting charges? No. You're using only what? 3/5. So you will take care of 3/5. I will take care of what? 2/5. On the due date, who has to pay for the bill? I am the acceptor. How much I has to pay? 5 lakhs I have to pay. Once again. What was the total bill value? 5 lakhs. Okay. You need how much? 3 lakhs. I used how much? 2 lakhs. Okay. So on day one, you will send me only what? 2 by 5. 2 lakhs. 3 lakhs, you are using it for your business. But on the due date, I have to pay to the bank. How much I accepted to pay? 5 lakhs. How will I pay 5 lakhs? Send me. On the due date, send me the balance. How much balance? 2/5 already you sent, on the due date you send me the balance 3 lakhs so that I will be able to pay what? 5 lakhs to the bank. Here the bills are drawn for mutual financial arrangement. We need money for 5 months, 3 months, 2 months. We drew the bill of exchange. So trade bill so far we had seen. Now we are going to see which one? Accommodation bill. Okay. On the due date you are not able to pay the money. Now what to do? 3 lakh, 2 lakh we used. On the due date, 3 lakhs you have to pay me so that I will pay to the bank. You are not able to pay me, then what to do? Then I will draw the bill of exchange on you. I will draw the bill of exchange on you. Then I will discount the bill and send you the balance. On the due date, you have to pay the money. On the due date, you have to pay the money. So like that, 2 or 3 bills can be there. We'll see. The journal entries are same. Okay, for you, when you draw the bill, what is the entry you will pass? Bills receivable to PC account. For me, bills payable. Okay. Student account at to bills payable account. Okay. So entries are going to be same. Entries are going to be what? Same. No different entries, only the concepts are different. Let us see. It's a very good question. If they ask you, the question will be small, but mark will be high. How many marks question? 15 marks question. It's an accommodation bill. Go to that. T draws a bill on which one? J. For how much? 1,80,000. For how many months? 3 months. Let's assume you are T, I am J. You drew the bill for 1,80,000 for how many months? 3 months. I accepted the bill and send it, and you discounted the bill for how much? 1,72,800. In that you are remitting 57,600 immediately to me. First let us do for this, then proceed further. We ask you in the books of both T and which one? J. Start. It's a very good question. It's a very good area. Journal entries, etc. will be the same. Concepts are same. Start. In the books of T, next, in the books of J. When the first bill is drawn, what is the entry you will pass? Bills receivable account, data to which account? J account. Don't wait for me, or don't wait for passing. I request you to copy this. I am accepting the bill. What is the entry I'll pass? T account data to bills payable how much? 1,80,000. Then on the same date, I am discounting you are discounting the bill. 1/4/2022. Bank account data, discount account data to which account? Bills receivable. What is the net bill discounted? On the same date, who's remitting the money? T is remitting means sending. Remitting rupees how much? 57,600 out of 1,72,800. You are sending me 57,800 out of what is the net amount you got? What is the net amount you got? 1,72,800. என்ன proportion வருது பாருங்க. one third is sent by T to J. One third is sent to J. Any doubt in it? This is the most important part to understand. You got 1,72,800. Out of that, you are giving me how much? 57,600 means one third is sent to J. So what is entry for sending money? What is the entry you'll pass? Debit the receiver. J account data to bank account. How much you are sending me? 57,600 to discount account. I'm getting one third, so I should bear the one third of discount also. One third of discount I should bear. I use one third of money, so I should bear one third of discount also. So 57,600 plus 2,400, 60,000. Any doubt in it? Is it a trade bill or accommodation bill? Accommodation bill. For our financial requirement only, we drew the money. So the discounting charges should be borne to the extent in which I enjoy money. One third is remitted, one third discount charges. What is entry I'll pass? Bank account data, discount account data to which account? T account. Any doubt in that one third? 57,600 out of this net 1,72,800, which means you are sending one third to me. You will transfer that discount 2,400 in my account. What is the total bill value? 1,80,000. Already 60,000 worth is remitted. One third is remitted. On the due date. What is the due date of the first bill? 3 months now. What is the due date of the first bill? 4/7/22. On the due date of the first bill. Now what T should do? Should pay the balance. You should pay me the balance so that I will pay for the bill. That is 2/3 of the bill. How much? 1,80,000. Already one third is in. Now balance நீங்க என்ன pay பண்ணணும்? 2/3 pay பண்ணணும். எவ்வளோ? 1,20,000 is due. Please pay attention. First bill, how much I collected earlier? 57,600. One third you sent to me. On the due date, what you should do? Send me the balance. What do you mean the balance? 1,80,000 into 2/3. How much you should send me? Don't put net amount. Don't put net amount. Including discount, what is the total bill value? 1,80,000 less 60,000 already unfetched. Balance all 1,20,000 is due. Are you sending it? Look at this. On the due date, T unable to send the amount due. He is accepting the bill 2,52,000 for 3 months. Who is accepting the bill now? T is accepting the bill. So new bill is done. Our second bill is done. What is entry I'll pass? Bill receivable account. Data to which account? T account. 2,52,000. What is entry you'll pass? Period is bills payable. J account. Data to which account? Bills payable account. Clear? On the due date of the bill, you are not able to pay that 1,20,000. So I am drawing the bill on you. You accept the bill. Then what happens? Bill is discounted. What is entry for discounting the bill? 2,40,660. Yeah. Bank account data. Much 2,40,660. Discount account data. This bill is drawn by me, so I will discount it. To which account? Bills receivable account. How much? No entry in your book, because this discounting is done by me. Any doubts so far? Who's sending the money now? Jay sent how much? 40,440. Who's sending the money now? I'm sending the money to you. What is entry help us? Debit the receiver. T account debtor to bank. To bank, how much I am sending? 40,440 to discount எவ்வளோ தான் இங்கே ப்ராப்ளம். You will get money from me. So bank account debtor. How much of discount you have to bear? If you tell this correctly, then accommodation bill is over. I repeat. Listen. First, bills receivable account debtor to J account. You pass the entry. I accept the bill. You are discounting the bill. In that, you are sending 1/3 of the amount, 1/3 of discount also you have to bear. On the due date, you should have paid 2/3. 2/3 na 1,20,000 நீங்க எனக்கு pay பண்ணிருக்கணும். இது pay பண்ணல. So you are drawing the bill on me. Sorry, I am drawing the bill on you. Bills receivable to T account. You are accepting the bill. Then second bill, since I am the drawer, I will discount the bill. Bank account debtor, discount account debtor to bills receivable. Then I am sending you 40,440 now. I am sending 40,440 now. How much of discount you should bear? Don't take same 2/3, 1/3. Accidentally, sometimes it may come, but it need not be the same. 7,560. Let us see. Pay attention. See, please remember, don't consider this alone. Already, how much you have to pay me? For the first bill, already how much you have to pay me? 1,20,000 நீங்க எனக்கு already pay பண்ணணும். So, old amount due from T. எவ்வளவு old amount due from T? 1,20,000. Now, current remittance. இப்போ நான் எவ்வளவு உங்களுக்கு remit பண்றேன்? 40,440. அப்போ what is the total money? இப்போ ஒரு 40,440 already ஒரு 1,20,000 உங்கள்ட்ட எவ்வளவு due இருக்கு? 1,60,440. This is the total amount used by you. This is the total amount used by you out of 240,660. Second bill oda value பாருங்க. Out of 240,660. இந்த 2,40,660ல நீங்க 1,60,440 யூஸ் பண்றீங்க. எவ்வளவு proportion வருது பாருங்க. Proportion. I repeat. Already how much you have to pay me? 1,20,000. Now I am sending you 40,440. What is the total amount you are using? 1,60,440 out of second bill. What is the second bill? 2,40,616 and வருது. Maybe அப்படியே கூட எடுத்து போடலாம். So discount will be 11,340. 11,340 into 160,440 divided by 240,660. எவ்வளோ வந்துச்சுங்க? 7,560. $7,560. I repeat, I am drawing the second bill. Bills receivable to T account. You are accepting it. J account debtor to which account? Bills payable account. I am sending or I am discounting this bill for 2,40,660. The balancing for is a discount for us. I'm remitting 40,440. Already you have to pay me 1,20,000 plus I'm sending you 40,440. What is the total money used by you? What is the total money used by you? 1,60,440. Out of this 2,40,660 now. Discount proportionately 11,340 into discount how long a second bill 11,340 into 160,440 out of this. Here is where many students went wrong or normally goes wrong in the exam. The discount. Wait பண்ணுங்க. What is the total amount due? Already total amount? Already எவ்வளவு இருக்குங்க? 1,20,000 plus இப்போ ஒரு 48,000. 1,20,000 plus how much? 48,000. So for reference purpose I write this total amount due after this. Total amount due after this. Old due எவ்வளவு இருக்குங்க? 1,20,000. Second bill or current amount பாத்தீங்கன்னா இந்த 48,000. எப்படி 48,000? 40,440 remit பண்றேன். Discount நீங்க 7,560 bear பண்ணணும். Then total amount due. The second bill honored or dishonored? Second bill is honored or dishonored? Look at this. Before maturity of the second bill, T became what? Bankrupt. He state paid only what? 50 paise in a rupee. So we have to cancel the second bill. Why to cancel the second bill? Why to cancel the second bill? It's not paid. So T account data to bank account. Second bill எவ்வளவு cancel பண்ணும்? 2,52,000 you have to cancel. For him normal dishonor entry. Debtors account data to bank account. Then what is the total amount due? Old due 1,20,000 plus current add பண்ணா 1,68,000 due. அதுல how much we are collecting? How much we are collecting? We are collecting only 50 paise in a rupee. What is entry for collection? Bank account debtor, bad debts account debtor, to which account? T account. So we are able to collect only 84,000. Remaining 84,000 bad debts, total of 1,68,000. In the other party book, what is entry you will pass? What is entry you will pass? J account debtor to bank account. How much we are paying? 84,000. To which account? Deficiency account. How much? 84,000. Done. Especially this part, be careful. Old bill already due இருக்கிறது 1,20,000 இருக்கு. So second bill discount பண்ணிருக்காங்க. At the time 2,40,660 they collected. Okay, so old amount due 1,20,000, current remittance 40,440. Now you are using 160,440 out of what? 2,40,660. So discount proportionately you should bear 7,560. So T account data to bank to discount. Cancel the second bill. Bills payable to J you will pass. T account data to bank account. A to bank account I pass. It's a discounted bill or normal bill. So debtors account data to bank account. Then bank account data. This amount do you understand? Old amount due 1,20,000 plus current remittance or 48 na 1,68,000 le. We collect 50%. Remaining 50% becomes which one? Bad debts.
So what about the first bill? First bill 1,80,000.
For the cancelled already. For the first bill, we have to pass a cancellation entry. Pass a cancellation entry. J account data to bank and the bills payable to this one. We have to pass a cancellation entry.